Well, good afternoon and welcome to the 4th Annual Apprenticeship Awards presentation and barbecue. My name is Mike McClements. I'm the Executive Dean of the School of Trades and Apprenticeship. So, let's begin. First of all, with the Motive Power Awards. The first award is for Motive Power Fundamentals Automotive Service Award, to be presented by Kevin Bell, an automotive faculty member, and Dave Becker, the chair of the Automotive Service Technician Consortium. The Top Student Academic Award, donated by Crosby Volkswagen Audi Incorporated. The recipient is Victoria Campbell. The Top Student Practical Award. The donor is Britain Auto Parts. The recipient is Luke Kennedy. The next award is for top students. These awards are presented to the top academic students in Automotive Service Technician Apprenticeship, Level 3 in Block and Day Release. And I would ask, the donor, first of all, is Mac Tools. I would ask Marta Morin and Luke Musselman to come up, please. Marta is the block release winner, and Luke is the day release winner. Is Yves Savard here from Princess Auto? Yves will be presenting the Princess Auto Foundation Awards. And again, this will involve bringing a group of 3 students up. The students being Jordan Sangoy, the top student practical Year 1 award. The second one, Joel Erskine, Most Improved Student Award in Motive Power Technician Automotive Service. And the third student, Bree Van Veen, Practical Year 1 Award, Motive Power Technician Motorcycle and Power Sport Vehicles. Next, we have the TrailCon Leasing Trailer Service Technician Scholarship. This will be presented by Betsy Sharples, the OTA Education Foundation. Betsy would come forward, please. The donor is the Ontario Trucking Association Education Foundation. The winner is Wade Monroe. And if I can ask Betsy to stay on stage for a moment, please. The Glass Van Great Dane Truck Trailer Service Technician Scholarship. These awards are presented to 2 students who have achieved the highest overall averages in truck and coach truck trailer portion of the Motive Power Fundamentals program. The donor is the Ontario Trucking Association Education Foundation. And could I ask the following 2 people to come up, Connor Irwin and Sean Dixon. The next award is the Mike Otten Most Improved Student Award. If I could ask Mike Otten to come forward, please, to present the award. Mike is the donor, and Mike is a member of the Motive Power faculty group. The recipient of this award is Kyle Walker. The next 3 awards are presented to top students in the Motive Power Fundamentals Truck and Coach International Technical Education Program, international being International Trucks, which you see a tremendous example of out in the yard. Navistar Top Canada Student Award. This award is presented to a full-time student in Conestoga's Motive Power Fundamentals Truck and Coach International Technical Education Program. The students must have successfully completed Navistar models on international technical processes and procedures, be an outstanding team player and assume a leadership role amongst his or her peers, exude a positive attitude and commitment, seek innovative ideas and solutions. If I could ask Ted Vanden Heuvel to come forward to present the award on behalf of Navistar Canada. The recipient is William Schonecker. Yes, if I can ask William to stay on stage. William also won a gold medal in Ontario Technological Skills Competition on May 6th in Waterloo. Congratulations. Then we have International Technical Education Program, that is ITEP Program Advisory Awards. The ITEP Program Advisory Committee Peer Award. The donor, the PAC members, presented by Jake Francis. Is Jake here? And again, the recipient is William Schonecker. The ITEP Program Advisory Committee Most Improved Student Award goes to Zach Kershaw. The next 8 awards are presented to top students in the Motive Power Fundamentals Truck and Coach and Truck and Coach Apprenticeship based on their marks, class participation, and leadership skills. The All Truck Scholarship will be presented by Jaspel Kumar, All Truck International Truck Centers. All Truck is the donor of the award, and the recipient is Greg Carnes. The next is the Truck and Coach Consortium Peer Award. It'll be presented by Mark Godglick, Highway Sterling Western Star, and Christian Baller, Challenger Motor Freight. And the recipient of this award is Robert Jessen. Transportation Maintenance Technology Association Top Student Award, to be presented by Jake Francis, representing the TMTA. The recipient of this award is Kent Ferguson. Stage. The next award will be presented by Dave Craig, the Great Canadian Coaches and Holidays Incorporated. The award is the Great Canadian Holidays and Coaches Award, surprisingly enough, and the recipient is Kent Ferguson. Our next award, the Toromont Cat Dealer Excellence Leadership Award, to be presented by Terry Voth. And the recipient is Kent Ferguson. The next group of awards are sponsored by Toromont again. So the Toromont Safe Student Award. This award is given to a student who exhibits superior attention to detail and knowledge of safety requirements while working in all shop environments, and who provides leadership in this area to other students. The first recipient, Jared Melanson. We now have the Toromont Cat Dealer Excellence Fund Top Practical Student Award for the Program of Heavy Equipment Techniques, Ryan Deniz. The Toromont Cat Dealer Excellence Fund Student Commitment Award, again Heavy Equipment Techniques Program, the recipient Amanda Keller. The Toromont Cat Dealer Excellence Fund Top Academic Student Award in the Heavy Equipment Technician Apprenticeship Program, Joe Munnery. The Pre-apprenticeship Top Student Award, if I could have Len Carter come to present the award on behalf of the Workforce Planning Board of Waterloo Wellington Dufferin. So the program is the Pre-apprenticeship Commercial Vehicle Equipment Program in 2012, and the recipient is Joe Munnery. The next 4 awards are presented to the top students in the Motive Power programs based on their marks, class participation, and leadership skills. The Chairs Cup Tournament Award. The award comes from the proceeds of the Chairs Cup golf tournament held annually. The successful candidate must be a full-time student registered in a construction, industrial, or motive power program, show dedication to academic studies, contributes to the success of his or her program by assuming leadership role in helping others, exudes a positive attitude and commitment, seeks innovative ideas and solutions. It'll be presented by Stephen Spears. And if I could call the following students to the stage, please. Patrick Brown, Motive Power Technician, Truck and Coach. Jason Brown, Motive Power Technician, Truck and Coach. Amanda Keller, Heavy Equipment Techniques. And Jonathan Schuster, Heavy Equipment Techniques. Jonathan Schuster, along with Travis Charters, were among the first ever recipients of the Rhodes Scholar Awards. That's ROADS, presented by the Ontario Hot Mix Producers Association at its annual spring operations seminar held in conjunction with the National Heavy Equipment Show in Toronto on April 18th. Award recipients were chosen based on the leadership they displayed within their programs, as well as their interest in the asphalt paving industry. Jonathan also won the bronze medal at the Ontario Technological Skills Competition on May 6th in Waterloo. And while Jonathan is still here, if I could ask Bob Elliott of Steed & Evans to come up to present the Steed & Evans Limited Graduating Scholarship. This award is presented to the student who's achieved the highest overall average based on heavy equipment techniques theory and shop courses. And the winner is Jonathan Schuster. If I could ask Patrick Bennett to come up to present the Conestoga College Heavy Equipment Techniques Excellence Award. The donor is our financial aid office, and the winner is Darrell Bruce. The Carlos Camilo Memorial Safety Award is presented on behalf of Carlos Camilo, who was tragically killed on October 18, 2001, when the hoisted bucket of a backhoe on which he was working collapsed and he was crushed. The Camilo family initiated the Carlos Camilo Memorial Safety Award in his memory. Funding for the awards come from our annual golf tournament. They are awarded to students who exhibit superior attention to detail and knowledge of safety requirements in the workplace and provide leadership in this area to other students in the program. If I could ask, the donors are Henry and Tony Camilo. They'll be presented by Steve Spears. If I could ask Mark Farina and James Buchanan and Matthew McCartney to come forward. Apprenticeship Awards. Recipients must be registered as a full-time student in the Brick and Stonemason Apprenticeship Program and be a top apprentice. Again, the donor, the Canadian Concrete Masonry Producers Association. The students, if they could come forward as a group, please. Lyndon Brubecker in Brick and Stone Mason Apprenticeship Level 1. Darren Kraus, Brick and Stone Mason Apprenticeship Level 2. James Pierce, Brick and Stone Mason Apprenticeship Level 3. As well as John Keckney Young, Brick and Stone Mason Apprenticeship Level 3. The RONA Achievement Awards are presented to students in the Women in Skilled Trades or Construction Techniques program. This award will be presented by Trevor Pocaluco. Thank you. The winners must show dedication to the academic studies, be an outstanding team player who contributes to the success of his or her program and exudes positive and attitude commitment. And this must be difficult because I'm not sure I've ever met any of the WIS students who don't demonstrate all of those characteristics. Can I ask Kathleen O'Farrell and Kristen Mahi to come forward, please? While I'm introducing the DeWalt Construction Awards, if I can ask Chris Hollenrake to come to the stage, please. We have this wonderful predominance of black and yellow around us, so this is terrific. DeWalt is a first-time donor. We'd like to thank them for their long-term commitment to student awards. These awards are distributed to students registered in Conestoga's Construction Techniques Carpentry Program, Women in Skilled Trades Program, Renovation Technician 2-year program, the Construction Techniques Program. The students must demonstrate achieved excellence in academic and/or practical studies, an outstanding commitment to learning and the improvement of skills through determination, hard work, and exceptional engagement, as demonstrated through a series of measured achievements, consistent contribution to the success of his or her program through mentorship, consistent demonstration of positive attitude, leadership, and commitment, and outstanding spirit of team play. If I can ask the following students to come forward, please. Sandra Law and Kayla Frampton, Women in Skilled Trades. James Pippi and Devin Cinarelli, Sinarlili, Renovation Technician. Mark Raymer, Mike Sampson, Construction Techniques Carpentry. Lee McKay, Jason Pixner, Construction Techniques. The Holmes Foundation Awards will be presented by Faye McLaughlin. The awards are given to top students graduating from the Renovation Technician program. And if I could have the following two students come up to the stage, please. Dan Veeder and Jesse Thompson. The Menno S. Martin Contractor Limited Bursary today will be presented by Art Jansen. This award is presented to a full-time student in year 1 of the Renovation Technician program who demonstrates a minimum overall average of 75% following the midterm exam and the final academic semester. The student must also demonstrate the following qualities: a team player, a caring individual who regularly contributes by helping his or her classmates, a positive attitude and a credit to the class, dedication to his studies, positive work ethic. The student must be eligible to advance into year 2 of the Renovation Technician program at the end of the final semester of the first year. The winner is Vladislav Solovyov. The Waterloo Region Home Builders Association Award will be presented by Jamie Adam, the past president of the Waterloo Region Home Builders Association. This award is presented to a top year 1 student in the Renovation Technician program who is entering year 2. The winner in this case is Mark Walroth. The Waterloo Tool Show Awards will get one of our faculty members, Doug Loxton, to present this award. These awards are given to students who showed the dedication and commitment to the program and who had a positive attitude. They are possible from the participation of industry representatives in our annual Waterloo Tool Show. The recipients of these awards are Eric Friedel and Chad Moser. We'll ask Mike Johnson to come up to help us present the Lee Valley Tools Graduating Award. This award is presented to the top Renovation Technician graduating student. The recipient of this award is Megan Nocter. The Bev Thring Bursary will be presented by Fran Fisher and Kathy Wordley. This award is being established by the Zonta Club of Kitchener-Waterloo Foundation in memory of Bev Thring, a longtime member of the Zonta Club of Kitchener-Waterloo. These awards will assist women studying to enter a career in a non-traditional field, to be awarded to a student who meets the following criteria. A female student who has successfully completed her first year of studies in a trades and apprenticeship diploma program, must be enrolled as a full-time student in year 2 of a trades and apprenticeship diploma program. The winners of the are from the Renovation Technician program, Megan Nocter and Angela Norman. The Top Academic Student Award will be presented by Darrell Hughes. The donor of this award is the Bosch Power Tool Company of Canada. The award is presented to the top academic student in the Construction Techniques Carpentry program. The recipient of this award is Dave Zimmerman. Is Lori McGregor here to help us present on behalf of Home Depot, a Top Student Award? The recipients of these awards are Steve Battisto, Level 1 Apprenticeship. The Conestoga Heavy Construction Association Awards. We'll ask Chris Wolf to help present these awards. The donor being the Conestoga Heavy Equipment Construction Association. And if I could have the following 3 students come forward, please. First of all, Braden Irwin won the award for the Best Overall Student. Kyle Greff for the Best Overall Operator, and Alex Brokel for just being a good guy. Following 2 awards are presented to outstanding students in plumbing programs offered at Conestoga College. If we could have Jim Coors come to help us present the Marks Supply Incorporated Plumbing Award, Level 3 Apprenticeship, the donor being Marks Supply Incorporated. The winner is Steve Burnett. And if Adrian St. Amand is here to help us present the Moen Plumbing Award. This award goes to Joel Massey. And while I know he's kind of shy, if I could ask Dave Walden to come up to help us present the J. Walden Student Achievement Award. These awards are given to students registered in Conestoga's Roofer Apprenticeship Program who showed the greatest improvement while in school. The donor is the J.D. Walden Fund, held by the Cambridge and North Dumfries Community Foundation. And the award will be, if I can ask the following 2 students to come forward, please. Sergio Gomes in Level 1 and Jason Ball in Level 2. The J.D. Walden Scholarships, the award given to a student registered in Conestoga's Roofer Apprenticeship Program who achieved the highest overall marks. Again, the donor is the J.D. Walden Fund, and if we can have the following 2 students come forward, please. In Level 1, Edward Hatch, and in Level 2, Casey Nagsam. And if I can ask Don Marks to come forward, please, to help us present the Ontario Industrial Roofing Contractors Association Awards. These awards are given to successful students in roofing fundamentals or roofer apprenticeship. could I ask the following two students to come forward, please? Mike Barrias in level 1 and Jason Ball in level 2. If we could invite Nathan Stewart from Fastenal to come forward to help present the Fastenal Award for Student Achievement. And if I could have the following two students to come forward from the Construction Techniques, the welding section of Construction Techniques, George Peachy, and from the HVAC technician, Tim Dinsmore. Stephen McDonald will help us present the HRAI Top Student Award. This award goes to the top student graduating from the HVAC Technician program. The recipient is Jay Everett. An award donated by Charles Jones Industrial to the a student in the HVAC Technician program will be presented by Greg White, and the recipient is Will Flockhart. Our next grouping is the Chairs Cup Tournament Award. And if I could have, Greg's going to present the awards, and if I could have the following students come to the stage, please. Caleb Zorner, HVAC Technician, Ryan Bolger, Carpentry Apprenticeship, Josh Simons, Mechanical Techniques Plumbing, Shuzhen Liu, Mechanical Techniques Plumbing, Matthew Zerholst, Construction Techniques Masonry, Jonathan Carr, Carpentry Apprenticeship, and William Parker, Heavy Equipment Operator. We have the Milwaukee Tool Achievement Awards. Chad Zweers is going to help us present to the following recipients.
It's Carrington, not Harrington.
Okay.
Thank you.
The recipients being Blair Morrison, Electrical Apprenticeship, Cody Crawford, Carpentry Apprenticeship, and Nathan Carrington, Plumbing Apprenticeship, and I understand that Lindsay Carrington is here to accept on behalf of Nathan. We now move into the final category, the Industrial Awards. These awards are chosen by faculty for outstanding students in the Electrical Technician Industrial and Electrical Technician Industrial Co-op programs. The first award to be presented by Chris Harnock and Robert Haynes on behalf of the Electrical Technician faculty. And if I could ask the following students to come forward. First of all, the Academic Excellence Awards for top marks, Brent Parent and Ryan Cresses. And the Faculty Award for Dedication and Leadership goes to Scott Hogan Monroe. The Chairs Cup Tournament Award to be presented by Greg and Steve. The recipients, Scott Hogan Monroe, the Electrical Technician Industrial Program, and if I could ask Matthew McIntyre, Mechanical Techniques Millwright Co-op to come up, please. The following 6 awards are presented to outstanding students of Millwright, post-secondary, and apprenticeship programs. The donors are the members of the Industrial Maintenance Mechanic Millwright Program Advisory Committee, including Flow Components Limited, Guelph Tool Incorporated, Process Group, Roberts On Site, and the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Company. Steve is going to present the awards on behalf of these organizations, and so if I could ask the following students to come up on stage. From the Mechanical Techniques Millwright Program, the top academic student award goes to Richard Vanderweel. Van de Wiel. The top practical student award from the same program, Matthew Dorr. The Mechanical Techniques Millwright Program Student Mentorship Award, Gordy Jones. Level 3 Millwright Apprenticeship Top Academic Student, November-December 2012 Block Release Award. Say that 3 times quickly. Jason Lippert. Level 3 Millwright Apprenticeship Top Academic Student Award, March-April 2013 Block Release Award, Ed Klooster. Yes. So to help us present the SOA Tool and Machine Awards, I'd ask Barry Schwartz to come forward, please. These awards are presented to the top students in the Precision Metal Trades Apprenticeship at Conestoga. And again, if I could have the following group of students come up. Jared Tomlinson and Christian Dick in the General Machinist Apprenticeship Program, Leroy Belander and Jeffrey Daly in the Tool and Die Maker Apprenticeship Program. The machining faculty members sponsor these awards. Given to the top students in the Mechanical Technician General Machinist Program. The recipients are Roman Faifley and Kate Mulder. Roman and Kate also won Chair's Cup Awards. Roman has won the Hans Morrison Scholarship through AIA Canada for the machinist student, with a preference given to those who are looking to move on to the automotive sector after the completion of their training. Roman also won a silver medal at Ontario Skills Competition May 6th in Waterloo. Eric Veneman will help us present the Guelph Hydro Electric Systems Incorporated Rick Lane Corey Bridgman Memorial Academic Grant. This award was created by Guelph Hydro Systems Inc. in memory of Rick Lane and Corey Bridgman. To be eligible, the students must be enrolled in as a full-time student in year 2 of the Powerline Technician Program, have successfully completed their first year of study with a minimum average of 70% and no academic offenses. The donor, Guelph Hydro Electric Systems Incorporated. The recipients, Jake Fioravanti and Josh Laux. Anne and Byron Grant are going to help us present the Evan Horkoff Memorial Grant. This award has been established in memory of Evan Horkoff, a former student in the Powerline Technician Program who was killed in a tragic workplace accident at the age of 25. This award is to highlight the importance of knowledge and understanding with respect to safety requirements while working. The successful candidates must be enrolled in the second year of the College of Conestoga Powerline Technician Program and be in the final in-school semester. Exhibit superior attention to detail and knowledge of safety requirements while working in all aspects of the program. Provide leadership in this area to other students in the program. The recipient is Jacob Warner. If I could ask Luis Garcia, the chair of the Institute for Food Processing Technology at Conestoga, to come forward to present the Grand River Foods Justo Ortega Endowed Memorial Bursary. This award is presented to a student currently registered in Food Processing Technician Co-op program with the Institute for Food Processing Technologies. The donor is Grand River Foods, and the recipient is Ahmad Dekil. The Pre-apprenticeship Top Student Award will be presented by Len Carter. Len, if we could have you up again. The donor being the Workforce Planning Board of Waterloo, Wellington, Dufferin. to a student in the Pre-apprenticeship General Machinist program in 2012, the recipient being Josh Burton. The Chairs Cup Tournament Award, again, the award's going to the service area. Lynn Ann Drew, ECE Apprenticeship. Tara Livingston, also the Cook 2 Apprenticeship.